Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make oatmeal the Haitian way, or we call it la bouillie avoine. Alright, so you use this, and I only added some water and some cinnamon, and the kind of cinnamon that I use is this one, this kind here. It's like a star. So, and you can also add some nutmeg. Alright, so I'm gonna add nutmeg here. And you need some vanilla. Also about 1 teaspoon. Alright, and then we're gonna add some sugar. About 3 teaspoons. Alright, and now we're gonna add milk. And a whole can of milk. And I also add a pinch of salt. That way it brings the sweet flavor when you add the salt. Some people blend it, but put it in a blender, but I like it that way, the way I'm making it. So if you want to blend it, now I'm adding, that's the salt, just a little bit of salt. And make sure when you're turning it around, you do it in like one direction, like one clockwise. Otherwise, well, I heard it's gonna make it appel tourner. I don't know how you will say that in English, but anyways, it's a, you know, when you're turning it around, make sure you do it in one direction. Alright, let me taste now. This is perfect. Delicious. And you can also add some butter. I didn't take it out of the fridge, so I'll just add it at the end. And that's it. That's all you need to make la bouillie avoine or oatmeal. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys.